Here's the news of the day.
Archer Aviation has completed its ARC manufacturing facility in Georgia, aiming to produce its electric Midnight aircraft starting in 2025, scaling to 650 units annually by 2030 with Stellantis' support.
Robinson Helicopter will launch 3 new courses in 2025, covering R66 transitions, avionics, and post-maintenance procedures aimed at enhancing pilot skills and safety.
Robinson Helicopter gained FAA approval to extend R22 and R44 rotor blade service life from 12 to 15 years, reducing costs and enhancing efficiency.
FlySight's OpenSight suite integrates with Leonardo's Healy Awareness System in Canada's AW101 CH149 SAR modernization, enhancing mission planning, target identification, and situational awareness.
Wing has partnered with DoorDash and Brookfield Properties to launch ultra-fast drone delivery from malls in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, offering 15-minute deliveries for over 50 merchants during the holiday season.
Reed Smith's report explores the Middle East's role in advancing drones and AAM to transform supply chains, highlighting opportunities and regulatory challenges.
Lilium is reportedly in negotiations with multiple bidders for a potential sale, while maintaining operations through cost-cutting measures and securing new jet orders.
Beta Technologies is installing electric charging stations at Westfield Barnes Regional Airport, advancing electric aviation and sustainable transportation infrastructure.
To learn more, follow us in YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.